What is Quadrilateral? Quadrilateral is a new interactive digital tool to help kids learn geometry.
The tool is just what it sounds like, a quadrilateral shape that you can interact with.
Quadrilateral has two parts, a digital interactive and a physical interactive.
The digital interactive is the PhET simulation quadrilateral.
You can access the PhET Sim Quadrilateral from a computer or phone. The sim displays a quadrilateral shape. You can drag the sides and corners of the shape and explore the quadrilateral family of shapes.
Different kinds of information are provided about the shapes. You can customize this information to suit your needs. You can change what information is shared as you explore. You can show shape name and add guides such as a grid, diagonals, or angle indicators to help you create shapes.
You can also choose to hear voiced information about the shape. You can hear a little bit of information, more information, or a lot of information.
Side AB, side BC, side CD, square.
It also has a lot of music features that are enabled as you create those different shapes, and that music changes with the properties of the shape. So the more symmetric a shape is, the more rich the sound will be, as sort of an audio cue that you might pick up on as you're exploring all these different shapes.
The Quad offers learners opportunities to interact with geometry in a dynamic way. They're getting the opportunity to control and experience the transformations between different shapes, and that helps them to more deeply understand the relationships and properties of these shapes.
The physical interactive is a 3D printed physical shape.
You can take this shape and hold it in the palm of your hands, grabbing the sides or corners to explore the movement possible with this shape.
You can rotate, flip, tilt, and pivot the shape.
You can observe how the shape changes in response and explore geometries that emerge through this movement.
The physical interactive can stand alone as a physical manipulative for exploring quadrilaterals,
Or in connection with the quadrilateral simulation, so that what you're doing on the physical device is mirrored in real time on the quadrilateral simulation.
Now this is where it gets really interesting. You can use the physical quadrilateral as an input device, like a controller for the PhET simulation.
Or you can use the PhET simulation as a way to expand the experience with the physical device.
Your parallelogram has a very small area. Right now, opposite corners are equal.
When you focus attention on the physical shape, any information you choose to select from the simulation is just that.
extra information in the form of sounds, voiced information, or a helpful visual display to check the shape name, symmetry, and so on when needed.
When you focus attention on the simulation, the fluid movement exploration provided through the physical device helps ground your shape exploration in naturalistic movement. On the PhET website, you can find instructions for creating your own physical quadrilateral. You can also use camera input hands version of the simulation to use your hands as a quadrilateral shape.
Your index finger and thumb of each hand serve as the vertices of the quadrilateral shape, using your webcam as an input.
Or the camera input object version to turn 4 physical objects into the corners of a quadrilateral.
With so many ways to explore and receive information,
Quadrilateral can flex and adapt for learners with a wide range of needs in many different contexts.
So how do you use quadrilateral?
You can find the digital simulation quadrilateral on the PhET website or in the PhET app. There you can find the sim with on-screen text translated in many different languages.
we want to know how you use quadrilateral. Check it out.